Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products for your car and truck. Today, we're talking about a top contender for those of you with European vehicles, and specifically, it's the best choice for VW500-200, the Valvoline European Vehicle Full Synthetic SAE 5W-40 Motor Oil. If you own a high-performance European car like an Audi, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, or Volkswagen, this is the oil that meets the demanding specifications required by your engine. This motor oil is formulated with premium synthetic base oils and advanced additive technology. It's designed to provide outstanding protection against the four main causes of engine breakdown: wear, friction, heat, and deposits. If you've been looking for a way to maximize your engine's lifespan, then this oil has you covered. Whether you're in stop-and-go city traffic or cruising on the highway, the Valvoline European Full Synthetic Oil helps improve fuel economy while offering superior protection in both high and low temperatures. The exceptional protection it offers against heat ensures that your engine is shielded from wear, no matter how hard you push it. Plus, with its advanced detergents and premium antioxidants, it helps to keep your engine free from sludge and harmful deposits, ensuring that your engine runs as smoothly as the day it was built. What makes this oil stand out is that it meets or exceeds the demanding requirements of European car manufacturers. It's specifically engineered to meet the rigorous standards of brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Volkswagen, Porsche, and many more. With certifications including API sulfur monophosphide, SAE A3, B3, and MB 229.5, this oil is made for your European vehicle. When you pick up the Valvoline European Vehicle Full Synthetic 5W-40, you're choosing top-quality protection for your engine. Whether you're commuting daily or taking your car on long road trips, this oil ensures your engine stays in top shape and runs efficiently for longer. The 5-quart bottle is easy to store and enough to keep your engine protected for longer service intervals, so you can focus on what matters most, driving your car. So, if you own a European vehicle and want the best oil to extend its engine life and maximize performance, Valvoline European Vehicle Full Synthetic 5W-40 Motor Oil is the one to trust. Thanks for watching Product Critique. And remember to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the products that keep your car running at its best.